Is from Briana Williams, gets away from Lewis, and also going fast his nose, but this is the under 17 champion of last year motoring. Briana Williams comes through to win with daylight behind her.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Yes, today is a new day, and it is a day when all your dreams can become reality. Today we're going to talk about one of Jamaica's sprint sensation. You got it right, Briana Williams. Jamaica's 18-year-old sprint sensation, Briana Williams, has signed a 3-year contract to be a brand ambassador for Grace Kennedy Foods. Grace Kennedy Group CEO Don Webby made the announcement through a press release on Wednesday, July 8th. Briana will represent the Grace Kennedy food brand locally and also in the regional and international market. Mr. Webby indicated that they have been watching Briana's performances for some time now and easily concluded that she would be a great addition to the GK family. He said that her talent, discipline, and focus are beyond impressive, especially at such an early stage in her career. And they are proud to welcome her to the Grace Kennedy family. At the age of 16, Briana became the youngest female ever to win both the 100 and 200 meters at the 2018 IAAF World Under 20 Championship in Tampere, Finland. She's also the first Jamaican since Usain Bolt to earn the Austin Seeley Award 2 years in a row. That is 2018 and 2019 at the Carifta Games. Williams said it was a honor to represent Grace Kennedy.
Being a Grace Kennedy ambassador means so much to me. I'm so blessed and happy to be a part of this wonderful family. And ever since I could cook up something or, start to cook, I'd always use Grace products so I can feel like I'm in Jamaica. But it's a dream come true to represent Grace Foods, and I couldn't be any happier.
She now joined ambassadors like Shelley Ann Fraser-Price, Alia Atkinson, and Hansel Parchment. So all the best, baby girl. You go for it, shine like a diamond, and we know you are coming for them. Watch out, world. Here comes Briana, the Jamaican sprint queen. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.